Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to
Welcome back,
dangerous
viewers
things.
and subscribers. Big Super. We're out in a Johnson. We're out in a Johnson. We're out in a Johnson crossing, people. And we see where the road. We see where the road aisle and are prepared for asphalt. Yeah, we see where the road aisle and are prepared for asphalt. Some viewers and subscribers, we are get an update on what will happen today.
Yeah, we're going to pave today from here to Pavilion.
From here straight down to the pavilion.
Yeah, so we have 2 days out of paving.
2 days out of paving.
Yeah, so today and tomorrow.
Today and tomorrow.
Yeah, so yeah.
Alright people, stick and stay. So you see me talk to one of the workmen them and him said them are gonna pave today from Johnson Crossing right out to the pavilion. The viewers and sub, it's the 3rd of May and it's about 8:32 in the morning here. So we just take a walk because we see the road aisle and look nice and pretty and thing, and we welcome the paving because you remember we have a school, the Rainbow Kids Center, where the principal complained about the 3 years plus worth of dust. We are sick of the kids them and all them way there. So I hope this can bring little alleviation. I hope this can bring a little alleviation or a lot of alleviation to the school.
Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
The viewers and sub, Big Super, they're on the main road and we see the team still chuck them there with the asphalt, the viewers and subscribers, and the team are get ready to start with the asphalting. See the broom the people, see the equipment them, the S&G, you see mark on the equipment them, my viewers and subscribers. So I look on the work as it's about, if this phase here, as it's about to kick off, and I bring you guys update on what going out in a Lyssons here, where the road work out to start, the paving of the road out to start, and we are going to go over the school and see if we can talk with the principal, see if we can talk with the teacher and hear what exactly I go take place this morning on the stretch of road. Because you know, we come out here and we do a video, and when we do the video, you see where things look like it start to speed up. But sometimes people you have to talk, you know. If you don't talk, you won't get no action. So, my viewers and subscribers, we're out here on the road. So stick and stay. Now go over the school. Now we hear what the principal have to say about this phase. My viewers and subscribers, I'm here at the Kids Rainbow Center and I'm speaking with Miss Ramsey. I'm just come to get an update because I see the road, now the road aisle, the dust, 90% of the dust alleviate. And I see trucks on the road now ready for asphalt the road. What's your opinion now? How you guys feel today?
Alright, so I must say we are feeling elated. Thanks Big Super Road Vlog for highlighting this issue, because I don't think, because we have on numerous occasions, as Mrs. Richard would have said in a previous interview, contacted the relevant authorities and nothing was done. So, you know, thanks to Big Super again. Thumbs up for highlighting the situation. And, you know, we realized it was aired on Tuesday, and on Wednesday we see progress work starting, road aisle, you know, whole heap of trucks out there and thing ready for asphalt and thing. And you know, the dust has calmed down.
Right.
So we just hope they don't stop, we hope they continue. So till the process is through. So again, thank you very much. And
big up the Rainbow Kids Center. Some viewers and sub, we're out on the road and we see the trucks them are rolling. The viewers and sub, we're right in front of the Kiddies Rainbow Center, and we see the workman them S&G line up them team to start to do the paving. So we just make you guys know that the school feel good to know that we pass through Monday. We was on the ground Monday. We stopped at the school, the principal was complaining about the dust, and by Tuesday, Wednesday, the road aisle and road now I got asphalt, I got start, workman I got start with them work people. So we are going to follow up people, so just stick and stay, maybe tomorrow or later in the afternoon we pass back when the road are paved and make you guys see forth. For now, Big Super, the out in the community a license to the hardware people. The hardware people them supposed to even glad. So the dust get out of the way. So thank you so much for following my blog. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell people. Big Super, the out in license, saying peace out. Peace out people, peace out.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art. Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.